I'm Patsy Bishop with Illinois Extension, and today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin pancakes.
Pumpkin pancakes. To prepare the batter, wash your hands with soap and water. You will need 1 cup flour, 1 cup whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 3/4 cup canned pumpkin puree, 1 3/4 cup non-fat milk, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, and 3 eggs lightly beaten. In a large bowl, combine flour, baking powder, salt, brown sugar, and pumpkin pie spice using a wire whisk. In another bowl, combine pumpkin, milk, oil, and eggs. Mix until smooth. Stir pumpkin mixture into the dry ingredients, mixing until moistened. Spoon the batter onto a slightly greased, preheated skillet. Cook slowly until bubbles appear on top and bottom becomes golden brown. Turn pancakes and cook until other side is golden brown. Serve warm. Top with powdered sugar or pancake syrup.
These are our pumpkin pancakes, wonderful for a fall breakfast.
Eat, Move, Save.